I'm often asked what it is that we change on subs that we make EMFish. Do we make them better? Do we make them the same? What do we do different? So here's an example of one that I've gotten. I've already done 2 of these for this customer. This is his 3rd one. 2 of them have had the same failure, and that's right here. The spiders just come loose. As you can see, there's like a very, very small amount of glue, but there's really anything here. But this is bolted down, but they break. I mean, you can see where screw's still in there. They break loose. One side is okay, the other side is not. So that is one thing, is we make sure that it's assembled so this doesn't happen. We use better quality parts, that kind of thing. We use a 500-degree coil as we can, so not say that it necessarily absolutely will take more power. Depends what the original one is, but we use the best available coil temperature-wise that we can. We may do a different fitment of coil, so it may be something that will perform better in this motor, or possibly get a little bit more excursion, something like that. In this case, we're actually doing a larger spider by using a landing that comes up and comes over a little bit. It'll actually come over to here, so we can get another extra, I think it's 1 inch, half inch on either side. If you're looking at that side and that side. So 1 inch larger spider diameter, so we can get a little bit more throw out of it. The coil is also appropriate for that. We do have enough clearance for that. And the other thing is making sure that everything fits properly, because this I don't think is acceptable. It's notched out for this hole right here, but the whole way around, that's how it's assembled, and I think that looks absolutely terrible. I mean, the gasket won't move any further over. It's just it's poor fit and finish to me. So that's one thing that we also make sure that everything goes out, looks very good, and it's, looks like a quality product, because when it leaves here, it is a quality product.